Gaming starts right now. Today for lunch we have Asian-style nuggets, mozzarella sticks, brown rice, grilled cheese sandwich, yogurt parfait granola, some butter jelly sandwich, chicken Caesar wrap, bagel box, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, milk 1% white, and no fat-free chocolate.
Today's weather will have a high of 57 and a low of 31.
Our super students stand up against bullying by climbing.
Hey Burlington, what's up? Thursday is Superhero Day, so make sure to dress up as your favorite superhero and support BAM Spirit.
Guys, you can wear anything like capes like this, masks, or you can dress up as your favorite superhero, like Captain America. Everyone have a great day.
Come to our book fair October 19th through 28th. We'll have lots of books, games, and more. Here are just a few things you'll find at this year's book fair. The book fair opens every morning at 8:10 and ends at the end of the school day. We'll host after hours on Thursday, October 27th for family night, beginning at 5 p.m.
Welcome back to Celebrate Today. Today's World Pediatric Bone and Joint Day, National Kentucky Day, and National Seafood Biscuit Day. Thanks for watching.
Hi, it's Arrington from the Interior Design segment. Thank you so much for all your responses. They were amazing. Here are 3 of the rooms I've already designed today.
Today's circle question is, what is your favorite holiday to celebrate?
Don't forget to create, lead, inspire, motivate, and believe. Let's climb together. Have a wonderful day.
Create, lead, inspire,
Bye!
motivate, and believe.
Let's